All right. Who here has not heard of Rosa Parks? Rosa Louise Macaulay Parks was an American civil rights activist who is remembered for her crucial role in the Montgomery bus boycott, when she refused to surrender her seat to a white passenger on a segregated bus in Montgomery, Alabama. She is called the First Lady of Civil Rights and the Mother of the Freedom Movement by the United States Congress for her remarkable courage. Her bravery led to nationwide efforts to end racial segregation. Parks was awarded the Martin Luther King Jr. Award by the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the Presidential Medal of Freedom, and the Congressional Gold Medal. Her determination in fighting for her rights and against social injustice is a shining example of the inner strength that defines Shakti. Still I Rise, a poem by the American poetess Maya Angelou, who is an inspiration by herself. Today, Matangi will use expressive dance and the words from this iconic poem to pay homage to the illustrious Rosa Parks.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides. Just like hope springing high, still I'll rise. Do you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard? 'Cause I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness. But still, like air I'll rise. Out of the huts of history's shame I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain I rise. I am a black ocean leaping and wide, welling and swelling I bear in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear I rise, bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.
That was amazing, Matangi. Ardhanarishwaram is a very important concept of Shakti. It speaks to Parvati, the female half, and Shiva, the male half, coming together to form one whole entity. He is covered with ash and wears tiger skin. She is fragrant with champa flowers adorning her. He wears snakes and skulls as ornaments. She is bejeweled with gold and diamonds. Two dissimilar parts of a whole who cannot exist without the other. Ardhanarishwar Ashtakam starts with a shloka which is composed by the great poet Kalidasa. The shloka goes as Vagartha viva samprupto Vagartha pratipattaye Jagatah pitra vande Parvati Parameshwaro. A word and its meaning They are one and the same. They are not separable. Just like that, Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati are one and the same. They are united. They are inseparable. This shloka is followed by the Ashtakam, composed by the great saint Adi Shankaracharya almost 2000 years ago in Sanskrit. It is one of the greatest examples of gender equality and gender sensitivity because it speaks of a man and a woman coming together, coexisting for the evolution of the universe. Rosa Parks stands for equality of all humankind with no reference to a person's skin color. The Ardhanarishwaram Ashtakam celebrates equality between man and woman and in extension equality among everyone in this world. Performed by Madhuja Mukhopadhyay and Samadrita Biswas.
जगत पितरो वन्दे पार्वती चाम्पेय गौरार्ध शरीरकायै कर्पूर गौरार्ध शरीरकाय चाम्पेय गौरार्ध शरीरकाय कर्पूर गौरार्ध शरीरकाय धम्मिलकाय च जटाधराय धम्मिलकाय च जटाधराय शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय कस्तूरिका कुङ्कुमचर्चिताय भारत पुञ्जविचर्चिताय कस्तूरिका कुङ्कुमचर्चिताय चर्चिताय कृतस्मराय च विकृतस्मराय कृतस्मराय च विकृतस्मराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय क्षण कण कंकण नूपुरा नूपुराय हेमागदाय च भुजगाङ्गदाय हेमागदाय च भुजगाङ्गदाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय मन्दारमालाकितकन्दराय कपालमालाकितकन्दराय मन्दारमालाकितकन्दराय कपालमालाकितकन्दराय दिव्यमराय च दिगम्बराय दिव्यमराय च दिगम्बराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय अम्बोदर श्यामलकुन्तलाय घटिप्रभा ताम्रजटाधराय अम्बोदर श्यामलकुन्तलाय घटिप्रभा ताम्रजटाधराय नीलेश्वराय च निखिलेश्वराय नीलेश्वराय च निखिलेश्वराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय प्रदीपरत्नोज्ज्वल कुण्डलाय स्फुरन्महापल्लव भूषणाय प्रदीपरत्नोज्ज्वल कुण्डलाय स्फुरन्महापल्लव भूषणाय शिवानिकाय च शिवानिकाय शिवानिकाय च शिवानिकाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय प्रपञ्च सृष्टिमुख नाशकाय समस्त संहारक ताडवाय प्रपञ्च सृष्टिमुख नाशकाय समस्त संहारक ताडवाय जगजननी जगदेक पित्रे जगजननी जगदेक पित्रे नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय शिवाय
Madhuja and Samadrika, that was such an enchanting performance. Such a beautiful